Hi, I'm Rick Bidlack with Wheatstone, and today I wanted to tell you or talk about some administrative functions with VoxPro 6, sort of VoxPro 6 under the hood, as it were. Specifically the VoxPro file system, where audio files are stored, who owns them, how to manipulate them, etc. So I'm logged in here as administrator. Which gives me certain functions that I don't normally have. If I go to the Accounts menu, of course it's here where I can add users and delete users, but there's also a function called Check Disk Usage, which is useful for various things. It shows me all my users, shows me how many files each user has, tells me how long those are in terms of hours and minutes, but most importantly, perhaps, it shows me the full path to that account. In other words, where are the audio files for that user? So let me show you where these files are on the drive. We're going to minimize VoxPro. I have the Microsoft File Explorer open, the file browser. If I go to my C drive here, and open it up a bit, I go to the Users folder. I open that up. I go to the Public folder. Then I see VoxPro and a folder called VP Depot. This is where, by default, the user accounts are created. I look at the Administrator folder, which is the one I've been working in. And I see all of the different folders that I have as administrator. Let's flip back to VoxPro for just a moment and show you those. It's this same list right here. And so in File Explorer, I can see those. The default folder has all of the audio files that exist in that folder. Notice these all have a .vpw extension. VPW is VoxPro Wave. These are essentially standard RIF format WAV files. And there's one file in here which is a little bit different. It's called VPDB for VoxPro Database, and it has a .vpd extension, which also means VoxPro Database. So that's a database file. I'm going to show you in another video what the significance of this file is and what happens when we start to mess around with our audio files without VoxPro actually knowing about it. So check out that video at voxpro.wheatstone.com.